Welcome. Okay.
Welcome to our show.
Yeah.
This is a show about the two little bears and the pickle.
And the pickle. Okay.
Now, once upon a time, two little bears and dinosaurs.
Oh, two little bear and dinosaur. Okay.
They ate the pickles. They got tired because they ate a lot of pickles. That was David's story. The bear was Chubby Chub. Ow! And the bear's names were Chubba Chub. And then they crashed into a tree. They went back home. They tried to fix their nose, and then they were
David.
And
It can't get out.
Bite.
You'll fall.
bite.
You'll fall.
I'll hold your leg.
Okay, it's okay. He'll get back to you. Okay. Daniel. Let him have one.
Here.
Come on.